Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, and in this video we are going to see the mock question paper test number 4's answers. The subject is mathematics and the paper is 1. So in this video we are going to see the answers. Now question number 26, which is the incorrect pair between the international numbers and Roman numeral. So here incorrect pair we have to find out. So here 14 and here 16 in Roman number, but I should be in the left of the V required. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 27, how many times should 4 by 9 be added to 2 by 9 so that the sum is 2? So this 4 by 9 has to added to the 2 by 9. So first of all we will deduct 2 by 9 from this 2. So 2 minus 2 by 9. So the answers whatever comes, to that answer we will divide 4 by 9. So automatically the how much time that will be added, that answer will come. So 2 minus 2 by 9. So 2 multiplied by this 9 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So this is equals to this unknown. So 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18 minus 2 by 9. 9 is a here denominator which is common now here. So now 18 minus 2 means that is 16 by 9. So now 16 by 9 divided by this 4 by 9. If we do 4 by 9, automatically how many times this has to be added in this number, that will be comes out. So now 16 by 9 and again divided by 4 by 9. So now this we will comes here with a multiplication. So because this is complete one terms and this is another one term. So 16 by 9, we will do the inverse of this one, multiply by 9 by 4. So this 9 get cancelled, 9 get cancelled. Now 4 ones are and 4 fours are. So means that is the means 4 times we have to add this one in this one. Then we will get the sum is equals to 2. So 4 times means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 28. Vijay was born on Sunday, the 15th January 2012. What was the birthday of Veena if she is younger to Vijay by 45 days? Now younger means later on the Veena's birthday. So means we have to go forward with 45 days from this one. So now 31 days of the January minus this 15, so there is a 16 days is remaining. Then this is a 2012 means this is a leap year, so there is a in a February month there will be the 29th day. So if you add this one, we are getting the 45 days means of course from this 15th January 2012, after adding the 45 days, the 29th February comes, because here we are considering 29 complete days. So means this is the 29th February is the birthday of the Veena. So this is given in option number 2. Then question number 29. Ram Rao incurred the following expenses for watering his field. So this much of the amount for construction of well, then comma, this much amount for purchasing the electric motor and electricity connection, then and this much amount for the pipeline connection. Then how many rupees in all did he spend? In all means we have to consider this amount, this amount, this amount. Okay, so means this three amount if you add, you will get 8,45,100. So means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 30. 0.23 plus 5.3 minus 1.04. So this addition first do. So 3 plus 29 26, so means 5.26 minus 1.04. So 26 minus 4, so that is a 22 decimal, and this is 4 means 4.22. So this addition and after this one this subtraction, you will get the answer option number 3 means 4.49. Then for question number 31, if 50,000 amount to 62,000 in year at some rate, then by the same rate how much 75,000 amount in 2 years. So this is amount, means that is a principal amount. It will convert to this amount in a 3 years, means that is including with the interest rate. So to find out the interest, this complete amount minus this one, means that is a 62,000 minus this 50,000, means that is a 12,000 is the principal amount, sorry, interest is getting. So the rate, same rate, so same rate we have to find out. So rate is not given, so 12,000 equals to 50,000 multiply by this 0, multiply by r is there, because r we have to find out, means rate, multiply by this 3 years divided by 100. This 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled. Now 500 will divided here, so 12,000 divided by 500 multiplied by 3, so that will be the rate of interest. So 3 ones are 3 fours are, and then this 4,000, this 20 get cancelled, this 20, and 5 ones are 5 eights are, so means rate of the interest is 8 PCPA. Now as per this one, 75,000 principal amount, so 75,000 multiplied by this 8 multiplied by this 2 in a 2 years divided by 100. So what is the interest rate that we have to find out? So this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled. Now 750 multiplied by 2, that is a 1500 multiplied by 8, so that will be the 12,000, and 12,000 is the rate of interest, so that has to added here. So 75,000 plus this 12,000, means that is a 87,000. So 87,000 is given in option number 1. Now question number 32, which number should be in place of the question mark in the following pattern of the question? Now 7, 9, 13, 19, then 27 and question mark. So difference in this one is the 2, 9 and 13 difference is the 4, here the difference is the 6, here difference is the 8, means 2, 4, 6, 8, then after this 10, so 27 plus 10, that should be the 37. So option number 4 is the correct. Then question number 33, what percentage is 2 hours out of 8 hours? So 2 hours out of 8 hours, so that percentage we have to find out. So easiest way, this denominator should be converted in a 100. Okay, so first of all we will divide it by, or we can just take out the 2 common, so 2 ones and 2 fours are. So now 1 by 4 is there, so 1 by 4, so 4 has to convert in a 100, so we have to multiply by 25. Same 25 we have to multiply in a numerator, so 25 by 100, means that is a 25 multiplied by 1 by 100, and 1 by 100 is the percentage, so 25 percentage. That is a simple way. So this is given in option number 4. Another way also there, means this division we have to carry out and then multiply by 100, so you will get the percentage. Now question number 34, what will be the sum of all the factors of 120? So the factors are 1 by 20, means 1 and 120, then 2 and 60, then 3 and 40, then 5 and 24, then 6 and 20, then 8 and 15, and 10 and 120. So these are the factors, but we have to make the summation. So if you do all this summation, you will get 360, means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 35, in which of the following number is the place value of 440 lakh? So 4 of the digit, this one is the 40 lakhs. Now here the 4 having, this is the 40 lakh. Okay, 4000000 means this is the 40 lakh. So option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 36, what is the total amount if the serial number of note in a bundle is this much to this much? So here the 04 and the last is a 74, so we will take the difference in this one, but this note we have to consider. So the previous number before this note should be, there is a 03, so to 74 minus 03 if we do, so the difference between previous note and this one means exactly counting will automatically come. So that is a 71. So multiply by with a value of note is a 20, so that is a 142, and then this 0 means 1420. So this is the option number 3 correct. Then question number 37, find the correct alternative for reading 51.07. So 51.7 is there, but actually that is a 07. So option number statement A is incorrect. Then 5107, no, decimal point has to be take out read, so this statement B is incorrect. Then 51.07, yes, this is a correct. 51 and 7 hundredths, yes, 7 is at the hundredths place, so this is also the correct another way. So C and D are the correct. So C and D are correct, means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 38, 5 books can bought on selling 4 books for rupees 200. What is the profit or loss or selling one book notebook? So 5 notebook first purchase in this one, so 205 by 5, so that is a 40 rupees per book, and selling is a same amount but 4 books only selling, so that is a 50. So this is selling and this is a cost per, means in this one the difference is a rupees 10, so that is a profit. So profit rupees 10 means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 39, how many quadrilaterals are there in the figure with vertex S? So vertex S is here. So quadrilaterals QRSX, so that is the one. Then PRSW, so that is the 2 with considering this one. Then UTSX, so vertex S is considered, so that is the 1. And then WSTV, so that is the second. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 quadrilaterals which have the vertex S. So 4 means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 40, 7 by 10 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 is equals to box by 15. Then find out the number which can be placed to the box. So first of all we will solve this one. So 7 by 10, then minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5. So we will make the equal denominator. So here we will make the 10, here also we will make the 10. So 7 by 10 minus, to make it 10 here we have to multiply by 5, same multiply in numerator. Here we have to multiply by 2, same we have to multiply in a numerator also. So 5 by 10, then plus 4 by 10. So 7 minus 5, so that is a 2, and 2 plus this 4, so that is a equals to 6 by 10. But we have to keep denominator as a 15. So first we will take out the common factor. So 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 5, so mean that is a 3 by 5. Now convert this 5 to the 15, so we have to multiply by 3, same 3 we have to multiply in a numerator, so means 9 by 15. So means on this box 9 digits should be there, and this is given in option number 2. Then question number 41, what amount was taken on loan if to clear the loan 13,500 were paid after 1 year at 8 PCPA? So here, so the interest rate we don't know, and even the principal amount also don't know, but the amount required for the loan that is given, means that this 13,500. So means, so we will consider 13,500 minus this P, means that is the rate of interest, is equals to P means principal amount. So this 13,500 minus P means principal amount, so this is equals to, and now this is completely rate of the simple interest. So now this is equals to P principal amount multiplied by rate of the interest is given, which is 8 multiplied by 1 year and divided by 100. So this 8 and P we will keep it is, so 8P is equals to this 100 we will multiply here, so 100 multiplied by 13,500 minus P. Now this multiplication means 13,500, and after this 2 zeros, then minus 100 P. So now This 100p is here subtracted, so it will convert here with a addition. So 8p plus 100p means that is a 108p is equals to 13, then 15, and then 3 zeros. Okay, so p is equals to 1350,000 divided by 108. So after this division, you will get 12,500. So principal amount is 12,500, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 42, how many students are on the roll of a school if 95% of the students are present and 14 students are absent? Means that is the meaning 14 students are absent here mentioned, and here 95% students are present, means that is the 5% are absent, and here 14 students are absent, means that is the 5% means that will be the equal to the 14. So means 5% of total students, means we can say multiply by total student, that is equals to the 14. So that is the meaning. So means I will solve here. So 5 multiply by 1 by 100 multiply by this box, which is the total number of the students, that is equals to the, here the 14 is a 5%. So now this box is equals to 14 multiplied by this 100 divided by this 5. So 5 ones are, and then this 20. So 14 multiplied by 20 means that is a 280. Means that is the total number of the students is 280. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 43. Hybatrao purchased a cow for 52,000 and its transport expenses were 2,500. After a few days, he were sold the cow for rupees 48,000. Then in this transaction, he incurred a loss of, so that loss we have to consider. So 52,000 plus 2,500. So means that will be the purchase, or we can say the cost. Okay, so that is the cost price. So 54,500. So minus the selling price means 48,000 is mentioned where to sub. So means 6,500 is the loss, and this is given in option number 3. Then question number 44. It was second Saturday on 13th of May. On which date will the third Sunday in coming August? So third week of this August means we will consider as a 21st of August a day. We will first calculate on 21st of the August which is the weekday, and from this one we will calculate the Sunday. So from 13th of the May, how many days are remain in a May month? So total 31 days in a May month, so minus this 13, so that is equals to the 18. Then after the May there is a June, and June have total 30 days. Then July having total 31 days, and August month we were considering up to the 21st, because we are calculating first 21st date, the weekday of this one. So this is the total is a 0 and then 1 carries, so 100. So 100 days. So if you divided this 100 by 7, means there is a 2 days are remaining. So means from Saturday 2 days we have to add. So means that is the 21st August will be the Monday. So but we have to go back, because we have to consider the Sunday. So means 20th of the August is the Sunday. So that is the option number 1 correct. Then question number 45. The perimeter of triangle PQS is a 10.2 centimeter. Now in PQS, if you see all the sides having shown some symbol, means this is the equality symbols, means all sides are equal. So there are the perimeter of this one, means each side will be the 10.2 by 3. So this is equals to 10 3 ones are, and then 3 threes are 9, and then 1 is remaining, 1 and 2 means 12, so that is a 4. So and decimal point here, so 3.4 centimeter is the side of this PQS triangle. But this same symbol here also means this side means TP, TS and SR and the QR. These all the sides also having the same length, and that is a 3.4 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of PQRT? PQR and T. So here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So means we have to multiply by with this 5. So 5 4s are 20, 2 carry 5 3s are 15 and plus 2 that is a 17. So means, and with this decimal point, that is a 17 centimeter, and 17 centimeter is given in option number 3. Then question number 46. So this operations means subtraction, then division and the addition. So first we will solve the division. So that is a 5. So 125 minus 5 plus 10. Now in this one, first we have to consider this subtraction because that is the left side. So first we will solve this one. So that is a 120 plus 10. So that is a 130. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 47. A bus started to go to a village 225 kilometer away at 10 and 20 in the morning, means that is a 10 and 20 minute am. If the bus covered 90 kilometer in 2 hours, then at what time it will reach the villages? So 90 kilometer 2 hours means that is a 90 by 2 means that is a 45 kilometer in or we can say per hour. That is a, we can say the speed or we can say the traveling time. So as per this one, 225 kilometer has to travel. So 225 by this 45, so we are getting the 5, means total 5 hours is required. So this is the starting time plus this 5 hours means 500 hours we are adding. So 20 as it is, then 10 plus 5, so that is a 15. Now this is in a 24 hours we get, okay? So minus this 12, so we will get this 20 as it is, and then this 3 means that is a PM because after the 12, so 3 and 20 minutes, that is in PM. So that option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 48. How many angles are formed in this given figure? So 1, 2 and 3. So means additions of all this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that is a 6. Means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 49. On selling a TV for 9,000, Sudha incurred a loss equal to 1/4 of the cost price. What was the cost price of TV? So 1/4 cost of the price is a loss. So we know the loss means that is a cost price minus selling price, that we are getting the loss. But loss also given in terms of the cost price means that is the 1/4, means we can say 1/4 of the CP. So loss means 1/4 of the CP. Now this CP we have to calculate. So CP minus, but SP means selling price, which is a 9,000 is given. So now this and this we will interchange. So CP minus 1/4 CP is equals to 9,000. Now I will solve here. So CP minus 1/4 CP is equals to 9,000. We will make the same in denominator. So to make here denominator 4, we have to multiply by 4, means 4 CP minus 1 CP, only 1 CP or CP is the same, by 4 is equals to 9,000. Now this is a 3/4 CP is equals to 9,000. Now this is here multiplication, it will goes here in division, and then we will make the inverse or reciprocal also. So 9,000 multiplied by 4/3 here. So after reciprocal, that will be in a multiplication. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are, and then this 0 means that is 3,000. So 3,000 multiplied by 4, so that is a 12,000 is a cost price, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 50. What is the sum of 3-digit even number using the digit 5, 8 and the 0 only once. Now even number is mentioning, but that should be the 3 digit. So either 8 or 0 should be at the unit place. So first we will consider the 0 at the unit place. So here the 0. Now 5 and 8 is there, so 5 here and 8 here. So this is one number forming. After that one, again we will consider the 0 here, and here the interchanging of this digit means 580 also this another number forms. Then after this one, we will consider 8 at the unit place, because this is a even number we have to form. We should not be consider the 5 at the unit place, because 5 is the odd digit. Okay, so after this one, but we could not consider the 0 here. If we consider the 0 here and the 5 here, so that will be the only 58 number, but we require the 3 digit number. So that's why 0 we will consider here and the 5 consider here. Only this number we can form with the 8 at the unit place. So 1, 2 and 3 number forming. So now we are adding this all these 3 number. So after this additions, so 1938 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 51. By how much is the interest on rupees 5,500 for 2 years at 14 PCPA less than the principal? So first of all, we have to consider we have to calculate the interest. So for the interest, I is equals to P means 5,500 multiplied by rate is a 14 PCPA multiplied by year is a 2 year by 100. So this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled, means 55 multiplied by this 28. 14 multiplied by 2 is a 28. So after this multiplication, you will get 1540. But asking about less than the principal. So principal is this one. So 5,500 minus 1540 we have to deduct. So after this one you will get 3,960. So this is given in option number. Now question number 52. So this additions has to do. So this addition means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 53. In an exhibition of book, 94,254 visitors out of 2,54,020 visitors bought a books. So how many visitors did not buy the book? So there are the total this visitor this much, and only the this much visitors has bought the books. So from this one, this number has to deducted, means that will be the who are those visitors are not buy the books. So here you will get after the subtraction 1,59,766, means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 54. The length of road is 2 km 50 meter, out of which concrete work of 1725 meter of road is completed. How much road is left to be concreted? Left means that's remaining. So this is a total length, and the concrete work done this much of the length, and remaining has asking. So means from this one we have to deduct this one. So 2 km and 50 meter. So kilometer to the meter we have to do. So 2 km means that is a 2000 meter plus this 50 meter also we have to add. So that is a 2050 meter. This is the total length of the road. From this one, the work has done that length we have to consider. So that is a 1725 meter. So this has to deducted from the total one. So we are getting 325 meter. So 325 meter means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 55. 7 ticket cost of rupees 125 and rupees 75 were purchased for rupees 725. 725. This is the total price. Then how many ticket cost of rupees 75 were purchased? So these are the two ticket rates. So total after purchasing the total 7 tickets, but we don't know how many tickets of 125 and how many tickets of the 75. But the total cost we know that is a 725. So suppose if we add these two amounts, so that will be the 200, Okay, so now in terms of the 200, so that is a 600 and then 800. Okay, so means if we consider this 800 amount, so means that is a 4 times of this ones, means this fours and this four ticket and four ticket, means that is a 4 plus 4, that is the 8 tickets are there, but we require only 7 tickets. Means suppose from this one we are deducting one ticket amount, means that is 75 amount, so that is the comes 725, means one ticket has to deducted, means 4 minus 1 means that is a 3. So this 4 plus this 75 is 3 tickets, means that is the 7 tickets is comes. So this is a completed, and amount also 725. So that is a matching, means rupees 75 3 tickets are get purchased. So means option number 2 is the correct one. If you calculating in another way, means suppose trial and error, but that will consume the time. So 125, suppose there is a one ticket, so that is a 125 rupees, and then 75, so something number of the tickets. So after this one, suppose there is a 6 tickets, means because 1 plus 6, so there should be the 7 tickets. So this multiplication is getting 6 5 are 30, so 3 is here. So 6 multiplied by 7, that is a 42 plus 3, so that is a 445. So that amount is 450. After this additions, so that is a 575, but which cannot be. So means again we have to purchase the more, but we require the only 7 tickets. So this is incorrectly. Another way, 125, 2 tickets we are considered, so that is a 250 amount, and then remaining 5 tickets of the rupees 75. So this is 5 5 are 25, 2 is here, 5 7 are 35 plus this 2, that is a 75. So after this adding, so that is a 1, so 2 plus this 1, 3 plus this 6, so 625. Again this number is matching, but this amount is not matching, means there is a lengthy process. So better way, we are considering or adding these two amount, so that is a 200 complete one, and in multiple of this one nearest is the 800 to this one. And if you find outing the difference in this one, that is equal to the this ticket, so we are deducting this one, because this is a 4 and 4 tickets, because this is a additions of this one and multiplications of the 4, means 4 is here and 4 is here. So but there are the 8 tickets, 4 plus 4 means 8 tickets, but we require the 7 tickets, so one ticket we have deducted, which is 75 amount. And in that case, these 7 tickets criteria also match, and this 725 also match, means 75 rupees, there are the 3 tickets, that is also the considers the same one. So option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 56, 8 by 15 minus 8 by 30, so how much? So here the denominator 15, here the 30, so we will make the equal denominator, means equal to the 30, because 30 is the highest one. So to make it 30 here, we have to multiply here, so same multiply by in numerator. So 8 to the 16, and then minus this 8, and denominator is the same, which is a 30. So now means that is a 8 by 30. So 8 by 30 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 57, Anjali did her tailoring work from 8 and 40 am to 12 and 20 pm. Again she did her work from 2:50 pm to 5:30 pm. For how much time did she work? Now first of all, this time duration difference, means complete time duration we will calculate, and then after this another time duration, and then we will add both this one. So from this am means this is the morning, and this pm means after the 12, means in the afternoon. So in between this one, 12 noon means is the time. So from this one to this one, this time period we will calculate, then additions of this after 12 only the 20 minutes, so that 20 minutes we will add. So 12 noon means 12:00 minus 8 and then 40, but 00 minus 40 cannot possible, so 1 hour is reducing, and here 60 minutes of that 1 hour reduced, that we are adding. So 60 minus 40, so that is a 20, then 11 minus 8, that is a 3. So additions of this 20 after the noon, so again we have to add this 20, so that is a 40. So means 3 hours and 40 minutes, so that is the time duration of this one. Then we will find out this one. So 5:30 pm minus this 2:50, then that is a in a same afternoon, so directly subtraction also we can do. Now 30 minus 40 cannot possible, so 1 hour here reducing and 1 hour here adding with a minute, so means that is 60 minutes. So 60 plus 30, that is a now 90 minutes comes. Okay, so 90 minus 50, so that is a 40 minutes, and here 4 minus 2 means that is a 2 hours. So 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now that is a hours mean durations of this one. Now we will add here, so that is a 2 hours and 40 minutes addition with 3 hours and 40 minutes. So 40 plus 40, that is a 80 minutes, and here the 5 hours. But 80 minutes cannot be. So from this 80 we will deduct this 60 means that is a 20, and then this 60 we will add here with a 1 hour. So 5 plus this 1 hour means that is a 6 hours, and this 20 minutes. So 6 hours 20 minutes is given in option number 4. Now, question number 58. How many arcs are formed in the circle by considering the two endpoints from P, Q, and R? So, now this is 1 point, this is 2 point, and this is 3 point. Means there is a 1, 2, and we can say that is a 3. Okay. So, 1 arc, then 2 and 3. So, these are the 3 arcs. Then, adding this 1 and the 2, that is a 1. Adding this 2, that is another one. And adding this 2, that is another one. So means additions of this one is a 3, and then previously that is a 3. So total 6 arc we can make. So 6 arc can form, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 59. A shopkeeper gave 8 note of rupees 100. So 8 multiplied by 100, then plus equal number of the notes of rupees 50, means 8 notes again. So 8 multiplied by this 50, then and rupees 10 for giving change of rupees 2000 note. But 10's number of the notes we have not given, so means that we will consider x. So means 10 multiplied by x means 10x. Now that is equals to the change of this one, means that total amount of this one is a 200 sorry 2000. So 2000 equal to, now 8 multiplied by 100 means that is the 800 plus 8 multiplied by 50, 8 5 is 40, and then this 0 means 400 plus 10x is equals to 2000. Now 800 plus 400, so that is a 1200 plus 10x, that is equals to the 2000. Now 10x is equals to 2000 minus this 1200 here. Okay, so means that is a 800. 10x is equals to, now x is equals to 800 minus 10. So this x is equals to 80, means that is a rupees 10's 80 notes. Okay, so means, but how many notes altogether? Altogether means total. You did the shopkeeper give? Now these 8 notes. Now this equal means here also 8 notes. So 8 plus 8, that is a 16. 16 plus this 80. So that is a 96. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 60. What should be added to 78, which is the 12th triangular number? This is the 12th triangular number. Yes, already we have seen up to the 12 means from 1 to 12. If you add and make finding the triangular number, you will get 78. To get the next triangular number means that is the 13th. Okay, so for 13 means we have to add a 13 here. So means that to make what should we add it to here? So means we have to add the 13. So 13 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 61. In which alternative are the line parallel? So in this one, option number 3 is the correct one. Both the lines are parallel. Then question number 62. Which of the following is the correct arrangement to getting quotient 15? Quotient 15 when 3 is subtracted from 6 times x means 6x. From this one 3 has to subtract, means 3x minus 3, and divided by 5 means after this subtraction has to divided by 5, then the quotient means that is equals to the 15. That is the meaning. So this is given in option number 2. Then question number 63. Which of the following is a pair of co-prime number? So if you find out in all these one, you will get the common factor here is a 23, means 23 can divide it to this one and this one also. For here the common factor we can say the number can divide it here apart from this 143 also here, and here also the number 37 can divide it to this number, means these are not a prime number, co-prime number, because having the another digit also as a factor, but these two number doesn't have any another number apart from that one, so that's why these are the co-prime numbers. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 64, what is the sum of prime numbers between 50 and 80? So in this one, the prime numbers are the 53, then 59, then 61, then 67, then 71, 73, and 79. So and then 80 is here. Okay. So the summation we have to do. So if you find out in this or if you calculating the summation of this one, you will get the option number 4 means 463. So option number 4 2 is a option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 65, the length of rectangular playground is 3 times its breadth, means we can say length is equals to 3 times of the breadth. Then for fencing it with 5 rounds, means 1600-meter wire is required, means we can say after the 5 round that is a 1600, means if you divide it by 5, so that is a 5 ones are, then 5 3s are 15, 1 here, so that is a 320 is the perimeter of that one of the playground, that is the meaning. So what is the breadth of the playground? So 320 is the perimeter, but and we know the perimeter means 2 and then additions of the length and the breadth, but the length we know, so that is a 2 in a bracket 3 times of the breadth, so that is the additions of the breadths. So 320 is equals to this 2 multiplied by 4 breadths, so that is a 8 breadths of this 320. So 320 divided by 8 is equals to breadths, so that is a 40. So breadth is a 40 meter, and 40 meter is given in option number 3. Now question number 66, 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus this square box by 7 plus 4 by 7 is equals to 12 by 7. Which number should be in the box? So all the denominator are the same, means we can do directly additions of this numerator. So 2 plus 5, that is a 7, so 7 plus this 4, that is a 11, means we can say 11 by 7 plus this box by 7, so that is equals to the 12 by 7. Now this is here in a positive, or we can see in addition, so we will shift here with a subtraction. So this box by 7 is equals to 12 by 7 minus 11 by 7. Now denominator are the same, means we can do the subtractions of the numerator, means 12 minus 11 means 1 by 7. So that is equals to the box by 7, means box having the digit 1. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 67, which digit comes in thousands place in the multiplication? So after you multiplication, you will get the answer is 26,24,050. So in this one, the thousand place means the 4 is there, and 4 digit is given in option number 1. Now question number 68, out of 45 liter of oil, out of means this is the total, 5 tins each 3500 ml, so 5 multiplied by 3500, so that is equals to ml. 10 tins each of 3 liters, so means 3 liter means 3000 ml, like this one 3 tins, so that is equals to ml, and remaining was filled in pouches each 0.5 liter. 0.5 liter means that is a 500 ml, so multiply by, but that how many pouches were filled, so that is unknown, so x we will consider, so that is equals to the 500 x ml. Now total is here 45 liter, means that is a 45,000 ml. Now this multiplication after this calculation, so 17,500 and this is a 9,000 ml. So as per this one, this is a total, so this total is additions of all this one. So 45, I will note down here, 45,000 plus, sorry, is equals to 500 x plus 17,500 plus 9,000, means we can say additions of all these ones is equals to 45,000. Now this additions is a, sorry, not this one is a 3, that is a 8. So here 8 means that is a 24. So 24 means this not a 9,000, that is a 24,000. So 24,000 and this 17,500, so that is a 41,500 and then plus 500x. So now this 45,000 minus this 41,500 we have to do, so that is equals to the 3,500. So means 3,500 is equals to 500 x. So means x is equals to 3,500 divided by 500. So that is a 507. The x is equals to 7. Means the 7 number of the pouch. That is the meaning. So means 7 is given in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 69. 2 decameter plus 200 centimeter minus 2 decacentimeter is equals to how much? Now this decameter means that is the multiple of the 10, means that is a 20 meter. So 20 meter plus 200 centimeter, we will keep it as it is because all the answers are in centimeter. One is here meter, so we will prefer for the centimeter. So we will convert all this one in centimeter. So this keep it as it is. Then minus 2 decacentimeter means this is also the multiplication of the 10. So means that is a minus 20 centimeter. Now this meter has to convert in a centimeter. So 20 multiplied by 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So multiply by 100, that is a now centimeter, plus 200 centimeter minus 20 centimeter. Now this is a 2000 centimeter. Then 200 minus 20, so that is a 180 centimeter. Now so after this addition we will get 1 here 8 here, so 2180 centimeter, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 70. Which of the following fractions shows the shaded portions of the figure? So now total there are the 9. So out of the 9, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again half. Okay, so this is half means 1 by 2, and these are the 4. So means 4 and 1 by 2. And then out of the 9, so 9, 2 by 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 by 2 by 9. Now this we will do the inverse. So 9 by 2 multiply by this 9 by 1 is here, so this will be in reciprocal, so 1 by 9. So 9 ones are and 9 ones are, so that is a 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, or in another way that is a 0.5. So this is the same meaning. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 71. 1 ream and 5 quire paper. Out of 5 gross paper were used, how many papers remain? So this same statement we will convert in a expression. So 1 ream, so means, now 1 ream means that is a 40 dozen. We will convert all in dozen for our calculation. So 40 dozen and 5 quire. Now 1 quire is equals to, we know the 2 dozen, 2 dozen, like this one 5, so multiply by this 5. So means 5 multiplied by 2 dozen, so that is a 5 quires paper out of 5 gross. So out of means these are the total 5 gross. Now gross means that is a 12 dozens, so 1 gross, that is a 12 dozen, like this one 5 gross means multiply by 5, so means 5 multiplied by 12 dozens. Out of that one means minus in a bracket additions of this one. 1 ream means 40 dozen, 40 dozen. Then additions of this 5 quire means 5 multiplied by 2 means that is a 10 dozen. So now 5 12s are, so that is a 60 dozen, minus 40 plus 10, that is a 50 dozen. So mean that is a 10, 60 minus 50 means 10 dozen. So 10 dozen is given in option number 3. Now question number 72. So this already given, that is equals to the 50 after you solving this one. If 100 minus 80 means this term is written in bracket, means like this one, then by how much is the answer less, means the answer will, how much will be the lesser than this one. So we will solve this one with a bracket. So 100 minus 80, so divided by this 5 multiplied by this 4 plus 14. So that we will calculate. So first bracket we will solve. So 100 minus 80 is that is a 20 by 4, or we can say divided by 4 multiplied by 4 plus 14. Now in this one, the division first we will solve. So 20 divided by 5 means that is a 4 multiplied by this 4 plus 14. 4 multiplied by 4, that is a 16 plus this 14. So now that is equals to the 30. Now previously without bracket, that is answer 50, and now after the putting the bracket, that answer is the 30. Means what is the difference? So 50 minus 30 means the difference is the 20. Means we can say answer is 20 lesser. So means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 73. In how many ways can 100 be written as a product of two factors? So means 2 by 15 we can write down. Then 4 by 25 also we can write. Then 5 multiplied by 20 also we can write. Or we can say 10 multiplied by 10 also we can write. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 way we can write down. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 74 and 75. Information about 180 families use fuel given below. Study it and answer the given question. So here the fuel and the families are mentioned. Now store using by 1, 2 and 3, and one picture is equal to 12 families, so that is equals to the 36 families. Now gas is used by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 12, so that is a 72 families. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 12, so that is a 48 families use the hertz. Then gobar gas 1, 2 and multiplied by 12, so that is a 24. Like this one, 180 families are there. Now, as per this information, we are going to solve the question number 74. How many families use stove and gobar gas? So stove means 36 and gobar gas means 24. So 36 and gobar gas 24. So additions of this one, we are getting the 60. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 75. The expenses of gas in is twice the expense of hertz. If expenses of hearth per family per month rupees 60, then what is the expenses of families using gas? Now expenses of gas is 2 times of the hertz, but hertz per family per month is rupees 600, means that is a, we can say 600 multiplied by 2 means that is a 1200 is a expenses of the gas per families per month. Okay, so that is mentioned, but total difference in the families are, now here the gas is having the total 72 families, so means we have to multiply by this 72, because the expenses of the families is asking, means total families. So this multiplication has to do. So 2 zeros as 7 2s are 144. So here 4 and 14 carry. So 72 ones are 72 plus this 14. So when that is a 86, means 86,400, and this is given in option number 3. Thank you.